Hello, everyone. Welcome again to another session at Microsoft Zero to Hero, your community. This is Saidal, and I'm so happy that I'm hosting another session. This session is pretty much special. You shouldn't miss this session. We are going to learn a lot of good things around the AI. And I'm so happy that I'm hosting this session again. It's a Friday full of energy. We are going to have a great weekend. But what is better than having a very interesting, cool session, learning moment together before we start our weekend? So let's start. As usual, I have my slides here. So today we are going to have an amazing people, an amazing person to talk about a very interesting topic around AI. So we have Omer today together with us on Microsoft Zero to Hero stage. He's as an instructor on platform like Udemy, Turkcell, and BDK Academy. He has taught over 300 students from more than 100 countries, a dedicated community contributor. He's an active member of multi IT groups, and he has spoken at 2 TEDx events and over 40 universities. So he's truly inspiring professional and student like. So with that said, I have some slides as usual from our side. So Microsoft Learn. Imagine being part of a vibrant global network where you can connect with Microsoft experts, sharpen your skills, and take your career to the next level. All the support of thriving learning community. And also you have this chance to be part of different learning rooms, and basically you have this chance to share your knowledge and learn from other experts. So you shouldn't miss this chance to be part of the one of the biggest community of Microsoft Learn, which is Microsoft Zero to Hero. If you would like to be part of Microsoft Zero to Hero, aks.ms/ join Zero to Hero is the short link that you can use. And don't forget to make Microsoft Learn as your homepage because you are going to learn a lot of things there. And Microsoft Learn is the base place to learn and update and improve yourself. Beside that, if you would like to learn more about other learning rooms in Microsoft community, Microsoft Learn community, you have the link of aka.ms learning rooms to explore other learning rooms with other topics. And if you like to learn more about Microsoft Learn community, aka.ms/Microsoft Learn community is the short link. As usual, we have code of conduct. So in Microsoft Zero to Hero live session, we expected you to be friendly and respectful to everyone, listen to different opinion, and be kind with others. So with that said, with no waiting more, I'm going to remove my slides. And yes, Omer, welcome to the Microsoft Zero to Hero stage, man.
Hi, Fayed. You described me so beautiful, and then I feel myself like a hero. And
You are the hero. That's why you are here, man.
hey, where is my cloak?
But yeah, we call this community Microsoft Zero to Hero because we are together can learn and move from zero to hero. This is our motto here, to help students, learners, and getting help from people like you to that, because to explain it to people that maybe they are new in this community. People like Omer, that they dedicated their life to share their knowledge to other community members freely. It's very inspirational from myself, because basically these people spending hours learning something and then freely share their knowledge with the others. So much appreciate, man. It's really important. You are really important for the community, and you are truly a hero in Microsoft community.
Thank you very much. And a little secret I want to share with you. The secret is the best way for learning is teaching.
Yes, yeah. That's true. That's true. I agree with you. Truly agree with you, man. Amazing. We have some hello from people like Tokyo. We have someone from Turkey. We have people from London. So yes, amazing audiences. So thank you so much that you joined us again. Omer, I think you need to share your screen and then we can start the presentation. I will stay in backstage. And again, you will enjoy this session. I promise you.
I'm sharing.
Amazing.
And yes, this is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect. Then good luck. I'm going to backstage. If you need anything, just let me know. One more thing that I forgot to mention. Ask your questions from Omer, and at the end of the session, when he's answering the questions, the best question will win a Microsoft voucher, 50% off discount for Microsoft voucher officially from Microsoft Learn. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask your question and let's learn together.
Okay. I can't see now. Can you tell me how many visitors we have in our channel?
From StreamYard and YouTube, I can see around 15 people, but I need to check LinkedIn. But I would say around 15.
Okay. So Microsoft Zero to Hero and Azure Zero to Hero and AI Zero to Hero. It is honor to me being here, being in this community, because Said and his friends and all the MVP communities, people doing beautiful things, wonderful things in all over the world. And today I will share some information and some experience for you about the popular trend topics, the subject AI and vector, agent, LLM. You know, you are hearing these topics so much, but today we have some surprises. For example, I have a little guest, a smart guest. It's a dog. Sorry, it's a robot, and also I have a dog. Today we will do these technologies, not people to machine, with machine to machine, and the real assistant, the robot will be a real assistant for us. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Omer Colakoglu, and I have been a data platform MVP since 2022, since 2020 with 4 rings. I hope this year the 5 will come. And today I will be discussing LLM orchestration and also LLM orchestration with SQL Server. It's a new subject. And LangGraph, LangChain, and we will be working through a real-life scenario. And we will be working with these robots. And Said said, I'm from Turkey and I'm a data platform MVP, but actually I have more hats on my head. I'm a private sector worker. I'm an IT manager of a company, private company. I'm a lecturer for 7 years at RGS University as a visitor lecturer. Turkcell, Udemy, BTK, these are the online educational platforms in Turkey, and I have lots of training and students in these platforms. I think it's more than 400,000 students in all over the world. I have speech. I have spoke two TEDx on two TEDx theme. Next month I will be the third, and that's all. The Omer Colakoglu is this. Yeah, we have a scenario. It's a real scenario. It's my company's scenario. Let's talk in this scenario. And you are, let's imagine this. You are the CEO of the company, and your imagine is no keyboards, no mouse, no dashboard screens, just you directly interacting with your ERP system through just your voice. It is very possible in this era, in this age, because of the LLMs and the AI. You are always using the ChatGPT, and you asking question. You are asking question, and SQL Server response instantly. Today, I will demonstrate how can it this. And in our example, the company produces pressured vessels, and these are transportation tanks. The tank is the main production item, and company take order for this item. The tires are raw materials, and the company purchase tires and uses them for the trailers. They can use 8, 16, or 20 tires for trailer according to its capacity. Scenario is like this. Human speak and speech to text platform transform it to text. Company orders, inventory, raw material analysis. We have 3 methods here. Four methods: cost analysis. And for these methods, we have some functions: get order info, and it takes parameters, serial number. Inventory, get info summary, it takes parameter item code. And raw material analysis function, get item info details, and it takes the item code parameter. And the cost analysis function, get order info, parameters, serial number. These are stored procedures on SQL Server, and these are getting the same parameters in this. Get item info summary, parameters, item code, yes, and AI answer text. Here is our scenario. AI speech, and in here we use Azure Speech Services. We have actually we need an orchestrator because we have 4 different methods, 4 different agents, and we need an orchestrator because I will ask the system, and it will direct me to correct method or correct answer. In here, we use Azure OpenAI and LangChain and LangGraph libraries.
How much do we?
I want to show a little demo.
How much do we have the item with code Hotel Alpha Lima 0014?
We have 25 pieces HAL-0014 in our inventory.
How much did we buy this item last?
The last price of this item is $148 US.
Please make a price analysis for 2024. Calculate the price change.
In 2024, the lowest price is $132 US, and highest price is $148 US, increasing ratio 12%.
Can you calculate the monetary value of my inventory?
This item's monetary value is 148 times 25 equals 3,700 USD.
You see, we will do the same soon. These are real working scenario, and it's just a little demo. So what we have with LLMs, especially after the rise of the LLMs, agentic structures have become quite popular recently. However, there are some problems, For example, consistency. While chatting with an AI bot, even if gives the same answer every time, you ask, it may provide it in a different format. Yes, it is a serious problem for us. On the other hand, the real-time, accessing to real-time data. These structures generally work on offline or vectorized data, so they may not provide the up-to-date information. So if the data, real-time data is critical for you, so you have to solve this problem. And hallucination, it's the biggest problem of the LLM systems and the AI. Depending on the way you ask the question, it may give you wrong or irrelevant answers. And look at the architecture. We have microphone, and we use Azure speech-to-text service. And we have an application. I am using here Python. And after speak, the prompt sending the Azure OpenAI service and the LangChain and LangGraph libraries decides which function is suitable for me, get item info summary or get order info or get item info detail, etc. And the data source, it's connect to SQL Server and retrieve the results and speak to me with Azure text-to-speech service. And what about these topics? Let's talk these topics. LangGraph uses tools to map user queries to specific database functions. Function get order info, function get item info summary, function get item info details, function get order info. Tell me about stock amount of this item. I used in the speech technologies, we have a problem too. The pronunciation and also the noise can cause the wrong understanding. This is valid for the war times. And the NATO developed a standard for these problems, NATO phonetic alphabet. And we can say that HAL 0148, or we can say that Hotel Alpha Lima 0148. Yeah, our system can understand this pronunciation. Please tell me the lowest and highest price of this item, and then LangGraph decide this function. Here is the code, and I will show the working version. Yes, not a phonetic alphabet input and decoded output HAL 0148. Yeah, in this type of coding, we have to explain the methods. So we are writing lots of prompts in our Python codes. For example, in here, get item info summary, I have to define this function or these methods. I said retrieve summary information for a specific item. And I talked with parameters and I explained what type of parameters and what type of results. Yeah, let me show the working version. At first,
how much do we have the item with code Hotel Alpha Lima 0148?
It's automatically asked the question. Let me ask. Just a second. In here, I will speak and it transforms to text, and this function answer me with AI. How much do we have the item with code Hotel Alpha Lima 0148?
The item with code HAL 0148 is a pilot tire, and there are 20 units available.
Here is, I ask the system with speaking, and it answers me in here. And we can trace it on SQL Server. Let's see what is doing. How much do we have the item with code Hotel Alpha Lima 0148?
The item with code HAL 0148 is a pilot tire, 385 by 65x are 22.5. There are 20 units available.
You see, here is the running SQL query, and let's check it. Yeah, here. This is the database result, and AI transform it to a understandable sentences and speak to me. Okay, for now, the AI application is speak with me, and for now, our robot will speak. I open it.
Initiating system. Please wait for a moment. I'm ready.
I hope you see. Okay, it's okay. Now, working it again. How much do we have the item with code Hotel Alpha Lima 00148? you see, it's the find the
The
right
item
method.
with code HAL0148 is a pilot tire 385 by 65X R22.5 radial. There are 20 units available.
How much did we buy this item last? How much did we buy this item last? I think there is a problem with my microphone.
The item with code HAL0148, the pilot tire 385 by 65X R22.5 radial, has a total of 28 units available.
Okay, how much did we buy this item last?
The last purchase of the item HAL0148 was on November 7, 2024, from Watergen Automotive Ltd., CO, at a price of $304.18 per unit for a total amount of 28 units.
Please make a price analysis for 2024. What is our the highest price and what is our the lowest price?
In 2024, the highest price for the item HAL0148 was $304.18, and the lowest price was $292.58.
Although I can't bear to part, I will shut down as you wish.
Accidentally, I pushed the shutdown button and we have to wait just a second. Said, can you see the robot?
Yes, I can see that.
Okay. Accidentally, I pushed here and
Yes.
it's closed and I'm opening again.
No worries.
So, this is not a smart robot.
It seems like you're asking something different from product information. I don't have visual capabilities to see or do anything outside of answering your questions about products and orders.
Initiating system.
Alexa.
Please
How can I
wait for a
assist you
moment.
further?
Alexa listening us. Siri is listening us. Everybody listening us. Okay. I open it again.
I'm ready.
And this is the integration of an RAG application with a robot. So, what did I do? I did this robot more intelligence, and I make an integration with different type of disciplines, different type of technologies. We have SQL Server, it's the source of the data. We have LLM systems for communicating systems like a human. And we have Azure OpenAI services for these LLM systems. And we have Azure AI services, speech to text, text to speech. And I can make any non-smart machine more smart with these technologies. So this is the main point. And this information is our inside information. So we are using the OpenAI services. It's just a medium, just for communication. But in another demo, we can make a personal assistance with this robot. For example, this is more funny. Hey, buddy, how are you?
Hello. I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm amazing. That's always everything is beautiful, and now lots of people are watching you. So, do you want to say hello to audience?
Hello, everyone. I'm Alpha Mini, and I'm excited to interact with all of you. Everything is indeed beautiful, and I'm here to assist and share this wonderful moment with you.
I think there's the latency. It's working very slow. Yeah, nice to meet you. And our YouTube channel is Microsoft Hero to Zero YouTube channel. And do you have information about this channel?
It's nice to meet you too. Unfortunately, I don't have specific information about the Microsoft Hero 20 YouTube channel. However, I can help you with general inquiries about YouTube channels or topics related to Microsoft. Let me know what you need.
You say you don't know about the Microsoft Zero to Hero channel. I know the reason, because your LLM model is old. Tell me, what is the date today?
I'm sorry, I don't have access to real-time information like the current date. My training only goes up until October 2023.
So you are very old, yeah. Okay. Alpha Mini, introduce yourself. Where did you come from?
Hello. I am Alpha Mini, a humanoid robot from the Thales Esport and Innovation Center. I am here to assist and interact with you. Thanks to Mayor Mustafa Yalcin for the support. How can I help you today?
I also want to thank Mustafa Yalçın and tell us who is Mustafa Yalçın.
Thank you for your gratitude towards Mayor Mustafa Yalcin. He is a prominent figure in Thales, known for his contributions to the community and support for initiatives like the Thales Esport and Innovation Center, where I assist students in learning robotics.
Today, I watched a beautiful film and I liked it so much. The film, the actor is Jackie Chan. Do you know Jackie Chan?
Yes, I know Jackie Chan. He is a famous actor known for his incredible martial arts skills and entertaining films. It's great to hear that you enjoyed the film.
Can you make kung fu like Jackie Chan?
I can certainly try to perform some kung fu moves. However, I'm not as skilled as Jackie Chan. Let's see how it goes.
You are amazing, buddy. And I want to fly like birds.
Thank you. Flying like birds sounds like a wonderful dream. While I can't fly, I can help you explore ways to achieve similar feelings of freedom, like through robotics or virtual simulations.
I think your English is very good and we can practice English with you. What do you think?
Thank you. I would love to practice English with you. It's a great way to learn together.
Okay, next time then we will do practice. Yes, that's all. Here's Alpha Mini. It is honor to introduce you, him. It's a smart.
It is honored to introduce.
And I have one thing to ask. Hey, I know that you are not a smart robot, but you can talk with me and communicate with people. You know lots of things. How can it be? How can you be an intelligent robot?
Thank you for your understanding. While I may not be very smart on my own, Omer helped me become smarter by integrating AI. This allows me to communicate better and assist with various tasks. I'm here to help and learn from our interactions.
Thank you. Said, if there is any question, I can take it now because I will pass the next subject.
There is only one, actually two questions. One from Murat. He asked if he can get the presentation file at the end of the webinar, which I believe they can contact you through LinkedIn, and if there is any opportunity to share that presentation. So I think you can help them.
I will share, but I will share it at April because I used this presentation at Anna Hoffman Data Expos channel, and after our video is broadcasting, I can share it. It's not
Okay.
problem.
Okay, amazing. And there is one more question from Gaurav. How much did we buy this item for the last? Okay, it was the something. Okay, so there is a question here from Mehdi. Can Azure speech to text understand sound, tone, and emotions like SESM's conversational speech model like CSM?
Good question. I don't know. I never tried it, but yes, I'm curious about it, and I will try. I don't know.
Okay, perfect. So so far we have had these questions, so you can continue with your presentation, and if there is any question, then we can answer them by the end of the session.
Okay. This was LLM, LangChain, LangGraph, and SQL Server integration with robotics. And the next topic is vector search with SQL Server. Okay. For example, we are looking for a monitor, and the features are 27-inch and the brand Samsung or LG, and we have a good-looking, beautiful item we are looking for, but how can we describe it? I don't know. Okay, this is our dataset. Title, description, English, JSON features, etc. We have lots of things. And for example, where title like monitor and title like Samsung or LG. And title like 27-inch. Just one. I think there's the character problem. It's two. It's about Turkish. Yeah. You see, there are 244 item here. Let's imagine this. I want to search this, but where is that? Let me open here again. Oops. Like this. Recommend me a stylish 27-inch monitor that I can use in the office with Korean brands. Interesting. Let's try it. This is my store procedure. Here is SQL Server and Azure SQL on Azure. This is my prompt or searching query. I'm running it. Yeah. It suggests two model. And let's read it, the message. I recommend the LG this model, which features 27-inch QHD IPS display, 75 Hz refresh rate, and a sleek ergonomic design that enhance productivity in office setting. ID, this is the one of the ID item, and this is the other. The monitor offers excellent color accuracy with sRGB, etc. Do you see? This is not look like a SQL server. This looks like a sales person or sales consultant because it explains the features of the item and it suggests me this item. It's very interesting. Actually, we don't have any information or any sentence like this in database. But like all the softwares, we are even writing prompts in SQL Server 2. This is T-SQL screen, and this is, you see, you are an intelligent system assistant designed to help users find relevant products based on their search queries. The available products will be presented at assistant's response using format. The format is ID, product, and description, etc. And your response must be a JSON object in following format: SQL Server answer, item IDs, titles, brand, explanation, image URLs, and prices. I will show this result. Where is it? The comments. Yeah, here. I will run it again. Here is our SQL Server, pardon, our sales assistant's answer. You see, SQL Server answer, item IDs, titles, brands, explanation, image URLs, and prices. It's wonderful. And that is I think, magic. Because look at this. This is my search query. And this is my query in Turkish. Bana ofisimde kullanmak için 27 inç bir monitör öner. Üreticisi Koreli olsun. This is English and this is Turkish. There is no translate, and I'm running this query again. Yeah. Just one recommendation, and this is the same. And the explanation is Turkish too. But my database is English. There is you can write it in Swedish, Chinese, Japanese, it doesn't matter. How can it be? This can be because I am searching vector-based. I am vector-based searching here. These are this type of searching. Sorry, this type of searching is text-based or word-based searching. But when you use the vectors while searching something, it's universal. It's like a body language. This is and this is are the same thing as vector. So, what is vector? Vector is here. You see, it's a one-dimensional theory. The numbers between -1 and the +1, it's float values. So if you transform something to vector, you can gather a stream like this. After that, if you, for example, these are the similar items and check the vectors. This is similar. The other is the same. There is no word, there is no sentence, there is no letter. You see just numbers, but these numbers are similar to each other. And we are calculating the vector distance. We are calculating the vector similarity for this query. It is very common approach in this era, in this age. And SQL Server now is supporting this vector type in just Azure SQL. But I hope this year SQL Server 2025 will come and it will natively support this vector type and vector search structure. This is very important because this can be an image, this can be an PDF, this can be a text. It doesn't matter. you can transform anything to vector, or we can say that vectorize it. And if you vectorize something, your searching mechanism is very, very easy. Think about, you have 1 million image, and you want to find images that contains a cat. So for 1 million images, the image processing is highly expensive for searching. But if you transform it to vector, you can use the vector search algorithms and you can find your query or items easily. This is very important. Then, how can we vectorize a sentence? Let me show. In here, I'm using Azure OpenAI service, and yes, this is. Query 1 is English. Query 2 is in Turkish. And embedded vector 1 is the vector type. You see, this is the newest data type in SQL Server. And this is our method, exec generate embedded vector. First parameter is query 1. Second parameter is embedded vector 1, and error, it doesn't matter. I'm copying this. No. Vector, embedded vector 2. Yes. Select embedded vector 1 and embedded vector 2. Here is our vectors. It's very interesting. Query 1. Okay. The same again. This is vector 1. This is vector 2. So when we look at like this, we can't say these are similar or not. But we have a formula for calculating the similarity of two vectors. And our formula is I think here. Just a second. Copying here. This is, yeah, vector distance. It's a cosinus algorithm, calculating algorithm. And the embedded vector 1, embedded vector 2, let's check the similarity. This is the vector distance. It's between 0 to 1. The distance is very close. It means these are very similar. We can say that like this. The real similarity yes, it's about 90%. It's they are similar. This is question, and let's find the answer. This is answer. Let's check the similarity. This is English question. This is Turkish answer. This is the similarity. It's amazing. You see, as a we can investigate it with the words or letters or text. These are completely different, because at first this is question, this is answer, but as a vector, these are completely close each other. So this is a very game changer topic in this era, in this AI world. So you will hear this vector topic so much next month, because it's like a yes, how can I say, it's like a real magic for the searching something. Let's try it with our robot. We have an orchestrator here, and okay.
Omer, I think something happened with your cameraman.
Oh, let me check it. Okay,
Yeah.
just a second.
Sure.
Just a second.
Thank you. I appreciate your offer for assistance. If I need anything, I'll let you know.
Meanwhile, we're waiting. Oh, okay. Now it's working.
Yes, it's a little battery problem.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I changed it, and I'm continue.
Yeah, please. There are some questions. Would you like to answer them now?
Yeah, it can be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So there is a question that does using RAG with OpenAI present any security risk? Does priority data get transferred to Microsoft?
It's a real problem, we can say. Actually, I heard that topic. We know some hacking techniques, for example, brute force or injection. We know that the SQL injection, for example, I heard that the prompt injection, it's a very dangerous technique for hacking something. And Microsoft is working in this situation seriously, because they have a program and ethical AI, the subject of the title of the yes, the subject. And so we have to be careful in these technologies, but this technology is already come, and so I think they will find a way.
Yeah, exactly. I
Okay.
think everyone should follow the responsible AI that is going to update it, time to time. So it's really good to continue reading and updating that particular part. There is another question from Hakan. Which model works in this as the backend in your scenario?
Actually, I worked lots of models, but in this scenario, I am using the OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, yeah, and GPT-4 Mini.
GPT-4 Mini.
GPT-4 Mini, yeah.
Okay.
And yes.
Yeah, there is another question. Will this method of querying SQL Server require more computational resources compared to the regular method?
It's changeable by the case, I can say. For example, it is faster than searching like using percent wildcard. It is faster than. On the other hand, for example, the query, think about the query. I am looking for a laptop backpack with Lenovo brand. But in database, it is written notebook, not laptop. So you can't get answer with this approach.
Yes.
But the vector types, the notebook and the laptop is the same things. So
Yes.
you find all of the similar items.
Understood. Yeah.
And
perfect.
also Microsoft is working vector index, and in Azure SQL and the SQL Server 2025, we will see it. So it will be very fast. And in my data set, I have more than yes, I have more than 200,000 rows data.
Okay. So I would say it's fast.
Yes.
Perfect. There is another question from Mehdi. Does the robot includes ROS, Robot Operating System, or another system? There are multiple open source humanoid project available, but the main focus has been on physical components so far. Which open source software stack would be suitable to implement in order to communicate with Azure AI stacks?
Actually, Python is the number one we have to use, and also we need some LLM models. And as open source, we can use DeepSeek or Llama. These are good LLMs. I tried them and works very good. And there are some platforms, open source platforms like ROS, I know, but the Python, LLM, and the these robots have also some SDKs to control them. I think these three of them are enough.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. Yeah. No more question. So I think you can continue with your presentation.
Oh, just a second. Share screen. Yeah. Now we are using our robot for vector search.
Please provide a prompt about the product you want to search for.
Recommend me a stylish 27-inch monitor that I can use it in the office with Korean brands. Just a second. An error. Okay. Recommend me a Bluetooth keyboard with blue color. It find the right method.
Thank you for sharing the Bluetooth keyboards. They look interesting. If I had preferences, I would love to check them out. Let me know if you have any questions or need further information.
It can't find. This is a personal chat. Let's try this one again. Recommend me a stylish 27-inch monitor that I can use it in the office with Korean brands. It can be more fast, but I don't know.
Here are some stylish 27-inch monitors suitable for office use. 1. AOC 27 AOC 27B2 QAM. Resolution 1920 by 1080. Features: sleek black design, built-in speakers. Price: $4,590. Image: https://productimages.hepsiburada.net/s/484/600/529284749.jpg. 2. Lenovo ThinkVision T27i10. Features: near edgeless display, multiple connectivity options, TVI comfort certification. Price: $6,499. Image: https://productimages.hepsiburada.net/.
I think there is a little mistake because it is reading the image URL. It doesn't matter. So this is the vector search and the vector type. It's a new approach. And I am slowly finishing my presentation. So in here, we use LangGraph and LangChain, I said. LangGraph identifies when the user query relates to retrieve item summaries. Based on the recognized intent, this tool is invoked with the decoded material code as input. You see. Azure OpenAI provides advanced natural language understanding capabilities, enabling applications to interpret, process, and respond to user queries with remarkable accuracy. And LangChain, a framework building applications powered by large language models. LangChain enables natural language interaction with your data, simplifying complex queries and workflows. And LangGraph, an extension of LangChain. LangGraph focuses on orchestrating workflows between multiple data sources, APIs, and operations, making it ideal for multi-step queries. And speech-to-text, this allows users to give voice commands that are converted in actionable text queries, removing the need for manual input. And text-to-speech, you know. Azure OpenAI provides advanced natural language understanding capabilities, enabling applications to interpret, process, and respond to user queries and remarkable accuracy. You say, I think this okay. Vector search, I talked, and This is the conclusion. This is important. Simplicity. This architecture employs a direct connection to SQL Server using the PyODBC library, avoids the need to create and maintain additional API layers, making integration straightforward. This is important. This is important for and LLM orchestration and the vector search, because your information, your data in your database is important, and you don't want to use it outside because of the, for example, GDPR, etc. So if you are capable in these scenarios in your database, you can use it inside. It's very useful. Accuracy. Direct connection enables immediate query execution and up-to-date information retrieval. It is very important. For example, some critical information, for example, balance or stock amount, because these are changing values. So the real-time data is very important. The SQL Server direct connection provides this accuracy to us. By querying the database in real time, the system minimizes the risk of AI-generated hallucinated data. This is very important because it doesn't know any limit by lying ChatGPT or another data chat robots and hallucinated, ensuring responses are always accurate and based on actual records. This setup is particularly beneficial when working with dynamic datasets where timely and precise information is critical. And accessibility, this is an important point too. Voice commands make data more accessible, especially in busy environments. Using the native phonetic alphabet ensures that the concepts they may be misunderstood due to accent or pronunciation are entered correctly. And next step, what can we do? While we are using LangChain and LangGraph, this solution could also be implemented with semantic kernel, which uses a planner and skills architecture for similar functionality. Microsoft product semantic kernel is a very good product, and you can use it without Python, and you can use it in .NET, etc. That's all. Thank you. I hope you like it. I hope my English is enough to you understand. That's all.
Amazing. All perfect. Thank you so much, Omer. We got a lot of good information from you, and yeah, it was really great. Thank you for all the demo and that cute robot that you programmed to demonstrate the communication or integration between AI and
Said, I'm sorry, I forgot something.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to show it. I forgot.
For sure.
Sharing my screen again.
Yep.
I have another robot. Inception. Yeah, StreamYard. Okay. This is my robot dog. This is a very little toy. And I want to show the video.
I'm Biddle, your friendly robot dog. I love to play, perform tricks, and help you with fun commands. What would you like to do together today?
Hey, buddy, can you walk?
Absolutely. I love to walk.
Buddy, that's great. But now you are out of the camera angle. Please go back.
Got it. I'll move back into view.
Buddy, I feel dangerous. Can you smell?
I can definitely sniff around to check for any danger.
Hey, buddy, do you have information about Mike Tyson?
Woof. I'm a robot dog, so I don't have all the details, but I know Mike Tyson is a famous former professional boxer known for his incredible power and speed in the ring. Would you like me to do something fun or perform a trick related to boxing?
So I like boxing, and I know that you can do boxing. Am I right?
Absolutely. I can show off my boxing skills.
Wow, that's really amazing. Come on, buddy. The thieves are coming. Scare them, get angry.
I'm on it. Get ready to scare them away.
That's so cool. And I know that you are pretty good at gymnastics. Can you do a handstand?
Of course, I can show off my gymnastic skills with a handstand.
Buddy, can you do that again?
Sure thing. I'll do another handstand for you.
Hey, you see, lots of people are watching you, and do you want to say hello to them? What?
Let's crawl forward just like in the army.
Used to crawl when we were in the army. Let's do it like that. Crawl forward.
Let's crawl forward just like in the army.
Yeah, this is. It is time to jump. Let's do it.
Absolutely. I love to jump.
Hey, buddy, I know you can do gymnastics. Can you backflip?
Of course, I can do a backflip for you.
We have a Michael Jackson too. Yeah, yes, this.
He moves. Would you like me to do a moonwalk in his honor?
Do you remember Michael Jackson?
Woof. Yes, I remember Michael Jackson. He was an iconic musician and dancer known for his amazing moves. Would you like me to do a moonwalk in his honor?
I will be so glad.
Great. I'll do a moonwalk for you.
I think someone is coming. That's all.
Nice, nice. It was so lovely. Amazing, amazing. So it's a kind of your pet, right? Pet
Yeah.
technology pet.
Actually, he is not a smart dog. It's very basic. It has, I think, 50 different comments, and you set it with Bluetooth, and you can make this movement. It's so
Yeah,
easy.
okay.
But with the AI, power of AI, I can communicate with it, and he understands me, and I don't say jump or I don't say backflip. He says, I talk about Mike Tyson, and he is starting to box.
Understood. Understood.
Yeah.
Really interesting. We have the last question here from Mehdi. Does the robot, I think, no, not this one. There is another one here. here. Is there any built-in integration available on Azure AI stack for NVIDIA ESOC SIEM and NVIDIA Omniverse? Do you know that?
I don't know about the Azure AI, but you can integrate with this robot, Isaac Sim and NVIDIA Omniverse, because the learning is just a simulation. So, for example, you want to learn this robot to claim. I didn't remember. For example, you want to walk, to learn to walk this robot. It's just a simulation. In the simulation mode, you can try the lots of combinations, and it will learn in digital environment. After that, you can download the program in this, and now I know Kung Fu.
Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Amazing. Perfect. There is only last question. Are the motions for this dog robot pre-designed and simply triggered by voice command, or does it design each motion for each servo motor autonomously, allowing them to be unique each time?
Both of them. We have about 50 and prepared comments like moonwalk. But if you are interested in this area, for example, this robot has 8 servos. This robot has 16 servos, and you can send comments each of them, and you can do all of the movements.
Yeah. Okay. Basically, you can add more programmed actions based on what you need, and then you can connect the dots together and connect it to AI to build unique motions.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Amazing. There is no more questions. As I promised at the beginning of the session, you have access to the comments, Omer, right? So basically, you need to check the questions and tell me which question was the best, so we can basically select that person as the winner of this session.
Okay.
Which questions was the best, if you want to choose?
Mehdi's questions are, let me check this comments here. Okay. There's a Turkish question and review. Yeah. Yes, Mehdi's question: can Azure speech to text understand the sound, tone, and emotions like Systems conversational speech model? Yes, I think this is the best question.
Okay, perfect. Then congratulations to you, Mehdi. Mehdi is always one of our audiences in most sessions, so well deserved, Mehdi.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so perfect. Thank you so much, Omer, and thank you to all you joined to this session. And wish you amazing weekend, and hope to see you all in the next week's session that we are going to demonstrate another area of Microsoft technical and learning together once again.
I hope. Thank you.
Perfect. Have a good one. Bye.
Nice to meet you. Bye-bye.